Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a 10-part video series showing you how to create AI house. Let's get started. So to start, let's open a new architecture template. So this design is actually from my friend. He asked me to create a 3D out of this. So he handed me a PDF and I'm looking it on my second monitor and I'm gonna recreate it here on Revit. So to start, let's add in the grid lines. So grid line will help you reference the wall. It also helps you to determine where the intersection where you're gonna place the columns and those kind of stuff. So it provides a lot of information. So let's add in first the horizontal. So I'm gonna place number 1 here, and then after that, press escape, select the grid line, and then you can click this icon, copy or CO on your spacebar, and then click on this grid line. Let's put in 7,000 and then click it again and then CO again, and let's add it on 5,000. So it's easier if you just check multiple so that you can do multiple grid lines. So GR for grid line, and then let's add in our vertical. I'm gonna place the first one right here. I'm gonna zoom in and then double click on the bubble and change this to capital A. After that, just click the grid line, A, and then just click copy. And we're just gonna add in 10,000 millimeters. So once that's done, we can now pull this back like so. And we're just making it organized, so it's easier to zoom in. So now that we have our grid line, we can now go to our south elevation. So click on here, and we're gonna change this to 3200. Enter. After that, select the grid or the level, and then press in CO, and then pick it up from here. We're gonna put it at 3200 again, like that. And we actually gonna add in another level, but on a later. It's because we're gonna add in a roof, and we're gonna determine that design later on. So for now, let's pull this out and make this organized like that. And as you can see, level 3 is not appearing here. So just click on view and then go to plan view and then floor plan. Level 3 is right here. Just select it, which is already selected, and then just press OK. It will appear afterwards. And now you could just double click level 1 again to come back to level 1, and we're gonna start adding the wall. So click on architecture. We're gonna start in add in the wall. So click wall. It will give you a generic 200 millimeters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click edit and then duplicate. So we're just duplicating the default, which is a good idea to do so that we always have the default to go back to. So this one will be exterior wall number 1, and then press OK. We're going to maintain the thickness to 200, and we're just going to add a material so it's easier for us to change it or to organize it when we send it to Twinmotion. So let's click on clad white for now, and then press OK, and then OK. So now that's done, we could change this to level up to level 2. So level 1 to level 2, and then we keep wall center line. And then after that, we can now click on rectangle. So once that's clicked, we can create the exterior wall like this. Press escape, escape again. So we're gonna click the wall again. So it will be exterior wall at number 1 again. So we're just gonna add the wall right here, and we're gonna stop a little bit around here. After that, click wall again, and we're gonna add a wall right here, and this will be 2400, like that. And then we could just put it like that. We could trim it, so you could go to modify and use this, or type in TR. So we trim this area or this room, and then after that we can start adding our interior wall. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to architecture and then click on wall, and then we're gonna edit this type, and then duplicate, and then this will be interior wall number 1. Press OK. We're going to edit this, and we're gonna make the thickness 100, and make sure we change the layer. I'm gonna make this concrete mason unit for now, and then press OK. After that, we're gonna add in the wall right here. And don't you worry, we're gonna change that dimension. TR to trim this. This will be around 2800, like that. And this will be 1700. I'm gonna add in toilet, tub, and vanity blocks. So it will be under component. So I'm gonna add in the tub right here. So I'm gonna click wall again, interior wall. I'm gonna put it somewhere here for now, and I'm gonna adjust it later on. I'm gonna delete this for now, and then let's add in the vanity first, and then the toilet, and then let's add in the top. We're going to add the stairs right here, and there will be a storage underneath. So we're gonna edit this later on. Now that we have an interior wall right here, we're gonna add a bedroom at this spot. So we could just select this wall and reuse it by type in CS or create similar. So we're gonna add a wall right here. This will be around 3800, like that. And another wall right here. So click this wall again because we're gonna reuse it, and then CS, create similar, add it here, and let's change it to 3450. Let's add in some doors. So let's use the doors that are default here. So I'm gonna use this door, and then spacebar to change orientation. And then let's add in a door here as well, and a door right here. And then use your arrow key on your keyboard to move it a little bit there. You can click this wall, and then after that click on wall opening. We're not gonna put any door here, but we're gonna put an opening. So I'm gonna click on this side, and then after that it will ask you to click on the next cutout. So there you go. So that symbolizes that we have an opening there. So if we look at it on a camera view, you will have an opening only there. So let's delete this again. And then let's add in, so kitchen will be right here. There's going to be a bedroom 1, 2, and this will be an area to receive people. It's because my buddy's aunt back home, she wanted to make this space as an like an office area where she could invite clients in and do some meetings. So this will be like, we're gonna mark this as receiving, and then bedroom 1, 2, kitchen will be here, dining area, and then living room, stairs, and a storage underneath. And then we'll have the main entrance right here, and we could add in a door right here for the entrance for the mini office. So before that, let's add in more walls for the closet. So I'm gonna use this wall again and then click CS. So I'm gonna click this and add a closet like so. So around 700. So that's good. And then we added some bifold. Use your arrow key to move it a little bit and then add in the door again, the closet doors. After that, we could insert beds. So go to furniture, beds, and let's add in I don't need the bunk beds, so let's add in this one. So open. So it will be on your component. So let's add in the tween right here. And then let's add in another bed on this area. So let's add in the double like that. Let's insert more. So load family, go back, and let's add in some seating. So let's add this. And go back to architecture and then component. We're gonna add right here. And then some chairs right here. We're gonna add another one up here, so we could click this one and then click CS. And then go to insert again and then load family. And let's add in some tables. So furniture, tables. So let's add in this rectangular table. So it will be right here. We can move this a little bit here. So let's add in a nightstand and then a coffee table. So nightstand is 4 right here. And we're gonna add in more like that. And then let's not forget the coffee table. It's too big. And let's insert a TV. So just go back to furniture, flat screen, and then the TV stand. Press OK. And then go back to architecture and then component. We're gonna add it right here. And don't forget about the TV stand. You can set the elevation. It's probably around 25 high. So 25 inches. So this will be around, so 640, 635. 635. So that will be good. And then let's add in some chairs for the dining. So go into insert, load family, and then go back to seating. Let's use this one. And just go back to architecture and then click component. It will load up. One right here on each end and 2 on each side. And then use your arrow key to change like that. Okay, that looks good. I want this to be centered. Okay, so it looks good. So we're gonna stop here for now, and then we're gonna continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.